Business Planning Guide. Creating a comprehensive business plan is an essential step when starting or growing a business. It helps you clarify your goals, identify potential challenges, and outline strategies to achieve success. Here's a guide to help you with business planning. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Executive Summary. Provide an overview of your business idea, including your mission statement, products or services, target market, and competitive advantage. Summarize your financial projections and key objectives. Company description. Describe your company's legal structure, ownership, and management team. Explain your business location, facilities, and any unique resources or intellectual property you possess. Market analysis. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target market, customer demographics, and their needs. Analyze your industry, competitors, and market trends. Identify your unique selling points and how you will position your business in the market. Products and services. Describe your products or services in detail, emphasizing their features, benefits, and competitive advantages. Explain how your offerings meet customer needs and address market gaps. Outline any plans for future product/service development. Marketing and sales strategy. Define your marketing and sales goals and objectives. Outline your target audience and the strategies you will use to reach them, advertising, online marketing, social media, etc. Develop a pricing strategy and distribution channels. Identify key partnerships or collaborations that can help promote your business. Organization and management. Provide an overview of your organizational structure and management team. Highlight the qualifications and expertise of key team members. Identify any skills or resources you may need to recruit or outsource. Operations and implementation. Describe your day-to-day operations, including production processes, technology, and facilities. Outline your supply chain management, inventory control, and quality assurance. Discuss any permits, licenses, or legal requirements necessary for your business. Financial projections. Develop a detailed financial plan including sales forecasts, expense budgets, and cash flow projections. Consider various scenarios, best case, worst case, and realistic, to assess financial viability. Outline your funding requirements and potential sources of financing. Risk analysis. Identify potential risks and challenges your business may face: competition, regulatory changes, economic downturns. Develop contingency plans to mitigate these risks and outline risk management strategies. Appendices. Include supporting documents such as resumes, market research data, permits, legal documents, and other relevant information. Remember to update your business plan regularly as your business evolves. It serves as a roadmap and a reference point for decision-making, and can also be useful when seeking funding or partnerships. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.